Yes guys, I'm Roman and today we're going to Paris. So before we start your journey, let me tell you how to travel really cheap. So here in France, we have some discount cards, for example. And these discount cards give you travel discounts ranging from, I think 30% minimum with a carte avantage to what I have, which gives you 50%. And there are many other discount cards which you can get. So how do you travel cheaply? Well, sometimes you have to move from several stations in order to travel cheaply. For example, this card gives me discounts in the Hauts-de-France region. If I were to go to Paris directly from here, it would be maybe 40, 50 euros. But if I were to go to Amiens, then to Paris, then it's like 11 euros. Anyways, next time you want to travel, think about making several stops. It helps. I almost missed the train. I'm tired. I'm officially in train number 2. Wow, my hair looks amazing, doesn't it? It's alright, and this is Lille. The next stop will be Amiens and then Paris Nord. The damn thing is so full already and all these people have to go in there plus me. This sucks. Alright, so I finally arrived and I swear my leg, it's killing me. My hand has been like this for the entire time and it's like frozen. I'm pinned up. It was so uncomfortable being in that full train. Anyways, let's go and find my friend. Alright, so I'm here with my friend Adrian. Say hi, Adrian.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Roman, for the first time in
Yes,
Paris.
for the first time. And he'll be taking me around Paris in the different arrondissements, that's different sections of Paris. So let's go. Alright, so we are currently at what? The Louvre Museum.
Exactly.
Right, how about that's inside?
Exactly. Inside and inside in the pyramid. So
Okay,
the,
wait.
the entrance is just here.
That's the entrance, yeah?
Exactly.
And
So
here,
we are in the cour of the Musée du Louvre.
also right, we're in the courtyard, okay. However, we won't be entering because there are too many people and we don't have time because we are pressed of time. But we can see inside from there, no? I think. No. Well, a little. We can see a little bit inside. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. So far in Paris, I've heard a lot of different languages. I've heard Italian. There are some Spanish people behind me. I've heard, I think another language, maybe it's German. I'm not sure. I didn't hear it well. It could be Dutch. But yeah. Again, thank you, Adrian, for the tour.
My pleasure.
He's my tour guide. Yes. Alright, so again, that bus was quite full. I wanted to show you guys inside, but it was very, very difficult. And we are officially at the Eiffel Tower. It's right there. Yep, that's the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. It's a bundle of joy. The Eiffel Tower doesn't look as impressive in the day, but it's that easy. Okay.
We start here, we walk to Grand Boulevard, to Bourse,
Okay.
then Sentier. After we walk to Châtelet les Halles.
Okay.
After we walk just here
Okay.
to Palais Royal Musée du Louvre.
Right.
We took the bus,
bus.
just here, approximately just here, and with the bus we drove us just here.
Yes.
After,
At the Eiffel Tower, right?
after we walk here
Okay.
to see the Eiffel Tower, and after we take the subway here
Right.
to here to take the 4 subway to return to Gare du Nord.
So that shows the direction and in which metro to take, the different stops. If you're a little bit lost or confused, here's a map. He said the color here represents
Just the line of the subway.
line.
Exactly.
So once I'm taking
So-
7, for example, which is pink, I just need to look at the pink line.
Exactly. So the
Ah.
plan is to repair these lines. So like that, you
Yes.
say the first subway is the yellow color.
Okay, okay, makes sense. Thank you. The train is so long, it goes way down there, and then it goes way down there. Oh my god, it's huge. So Adria, it was super nice meeting you today. Thank you so much for having toured Paris with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure. Yes, I'm at the end of my video. Today was complicated. My trains were deleted and I'm home much later than expected. Alright, so a quick overview of Paris. Overall, I think Paris is a very cultural place because there are a lot of persons who are speaking Italian, Spanish, French of course, English, German, various African languages. It was amazing. There are a lot of different restaurants, Italian, French, Lebanese. I couldn't take a picture of everything, but I managed to take some pictures. It's expensive, but depending on where you go, you could find cheap things. Finally, some tips from my friend. If you go to Paris, you must be very careful because there are a lot of pickpockets. You must not blindly trust people who sell you their tickets because it's probable that it could be a fake ticket or it could be cheaper at the station. I also have various tips that I included throughout the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And with that said, I will not make this much longer. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I said please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Please share this video if you'd like for me to do something or visit somewhere. Or if you personally like to meet me. Oh, that would be so cool. Just let me know in the comments down below. Add me on Instagram, Twitter maybe. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. That kid in his Akatsuki uniform. Wait, Akatsuki.